Hello, and welcome to the SimpleFX video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to open a pending order. First, let's find an instrument. Go to the My Trade section. Press New Trade. And type in the symbol you want to trade with. To create a pending order, go to the Advanced Trade view. Choose the direction of the trade, buy or sell, and set up a trade volume. Now, turn on the pending feature and choose the price level at which your order will be activated. You can also specify an expiration date, which sets the time at which your order will be cancelled if it's not executed. You can also edit take profit and stop loss levels. Now, tap Buy or Sell button to open your pending order. Your new pending order is now open. Now you know how to open a pending order in the SimpleFX app. Watch more tutorials for an in-depth look at trading features. Have a good day and a good trade.